If you want to list entities by category type using AgentBrains in N8N, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find the right node, select the correct action, and configure it so you can get the data you need fast. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical N8N tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your N8N workflow and go to the Nodes panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can search for and add the tools you need for your automation. In the search bar, type AgentBrains, then choose the AgentBrains node from the results. Once you add it to your workflow, you'll see the node settings open up so you can start configuring it. Next, look for the action or operation selector inside the AgentBrains node. From the available options, choose List Entities by Category Type. This is the specific action that tells AgentBrains you want to retrieve entities based on a category type rather than performing a different task. Selecting the correct action is important because it determines the kind of data the node will return. After that, you'll need to configure what you want. This means filling in the required settings based on your workflow goal. For example, you may need to specify the category type you want to query, define any filters, and connect the output to the next step in your automation. Take your time here and make sure each field matches the data you're trying to pull. If the node gives you options for limits, sorting, or additional parameters, adjust those as needed so your results are accurate and useful. Once your settings are in place, save the node and test the workflow. Running a test execution is the best way to confirm that AgentBrains is listing the entities you expected. If the output looks correct, you're ready to connect it to the rest of your workflow and keep building from there. And that's it. You've now learned how to list entities by category type using AgentBrains in N8N. It's a simple process once you know where to look. Open the Nodes panel, choose AgentBrains, select List Entities by category type, and configure the fields you need. If this walkthrough helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more N8N guides, and I'll see you in the next video.